A quick update on XCN here. So XCN, it is in some sort of a macro support and resistance area where the price is now. If we draw a line here, you can clearly see in the past there's support, support, resistance, and then this resistance support, and we're back on this line again at about 18 or so. So we're just going to get that off. And if you go any lower than 18, then what we're going to do here is go from the low here to the high and just see what we can see. And you can see that 382 takes you all the way down, a double 382 pretty much, down to our green box that we previously had. Let me just go ahead and get rid of that. But the 382s here down from 15 to 16, so we are below the 236 and the macro zero point 0.5. So if we cannot get back over pretty much 2 cents on XCN, then it's probably going to have a slow crawl down, a 16% drop down to this 15 area. So just keep that in mind on XCN here. So we hit that double top, we hit our red box, the macro 618 and the smaller 618. So 22 to 24 is still the price to beat. If we can eventually get through that, then of course we do have the couple of levels here, which would be 3 pennies for the 786 would be the next big target up. But like I said, it looks like we're coming down on XCN. But if you're bullish on XCN, you know you're buying the dips here. But if we get back over 2 and start to move up, you got about a 76, 77% move to get to that 3 penny price range here. And then, of course, on the macro picture of things, the big price we've been waiting for, we are down below the macro 618 at 622 rather. But the next big stop would be 5.5 pennies on XCN here. But like I said, it looks like it's coming down. So comment down below. What are your thoughts? That would be a 3x. Are you buying the dips here on XCN? It will eventually run at some point again. And it's not holding up, bad on the macro time frame. If we zoom back out to the weekly chart here, I mean, we hit almost the 786. We're down below the 618. So we'll see how it plays out here. Let me move that so we can see it a little bit better. But yeah, XCN is going to be a good one. It's just, a simple correction in the market at the moment. It's just coming back down. Looking on the monthly, it doesn't look horrible. You already had that move down, and we're already moving back up. So like I said, comment down below. None of this is financial advice, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.